Welcome to my deliciously dangerous candy lab. Today, we're diving into the sweet, sticky world of candy and the science hiding inside every bite. Candy starts with one magical ingredient, sugar. Chemically speaking, it's a carbohydrate and your brain loves it. By heating sugar to different temperatures, we get different textures. Soft, chewy, or hard enough to chip a tooth. Ever wondered why candy comes in wild colours? It was a 1970s marketing trick. Blue raspberry doesn't exist in nature. Hard candy or rock candy forms big sugar crystals. Fudge is just smaller crystals, plus a little bit of fat. That's what makes it creamy. Candy isn't just sweet. There's spicy, sour, you can even get fish flavoured. Pop rocks, that's just carbon dioxide trapped in sugar. Tiny explosions in your mouth. Ooh, I thought I said tiny. Where I'm from, this pink cloud's called fairy floss, but most of the world knows it as cotton candy. It's just sugar and air spun at high speed to make tiny hair-like strands that dissolve in your mouth. Too much sugar is bad news for your teeth. Bacteria love it as much as you do, and once the sugar's gone, they'll just keep going on your teeth. Sugar equals quick energy, but it doesn't cause hyperactivity. That's a myth. Sorry, parents. That energy increase can mean you want to move around a lot more, but once it's processed and the sugar rush is gone, it's crash time. So, next time you eat candy, just remember it's edible chemistry. I'll just test one more gummy for science. Maybe two. Oh, definitely three. Oh! Ah! Twizzlet again.
Quick, guys. Let's get out of here before he gets back.
Now, guys, I only ate a few of you. What if I promise to stick to just the gummy worms from now on?